Welcome back. You're still watching News at Prime. So let's have this discussion now. The judicial inquiry into claims of political interference in the prosecution of Truth and Reconciliation Commission cases is inviting all interested parties to attend a pre-hearing meeting. President Cyril Ramaphosa established the commission following concerns involving apartheid-era crimes. The commission's spokesperson, Mr. Lionel Adendorf, joins us now for more. Good afternoon to you. It is evening, isn't it? Good evening to you.
Nice being with you, Naledi, and it's nice talking to your viewers.
No, really good to have you with us. You've got quite the, as a commission and the entire team, having quite the mammoth task ahead of you, looking at cases that are so incredibly emotive for so many South Africans, wanting to see not just resolution to the cases, but also wanting to see why there were delays and obstructions to finding those resolutions. But let's start off with where we are right now. I know that we did chat about this later on in the week, but the pre-hearing sessions, what we're expecting that to look like.
Thank you so much. It's very nice being with you and to engage with your viewers on this very important matter. Just to get back to your other point, the Commission or the TRC Cases Inquiry, as we would refer to it, is obviously loaded with some of the most senior and most experienced legal minds in this country. It's chaired by former Court Justice Sisi Gampepe. She's assisted by SC Gabriel, and then Andrea Gabriel, and then she's also being assisted by the former or the retired Northern Cape Judge President Homo. And so we believe that that is the crux of our integrity and our strength. And we know that with them in charge, we will obviously be able to get this right. There are also two other things that people need to remember. One, yes, we are looking at the cases that were never investigated and never prosecuted. So that we need people to come forward and say, yes, my father was killed in 1970-something, and this was his case. It was referred to the NPA, and nothing happened to that case. But more importantly, Naledi, is that we also want whistleblowers to come forward and say, I worked at the NPA or at the SAPS at the time, and I got an instruction not to prosecute or not to investigate. And both of them are very, very important. And because of the, as you have explained, the emotive nature of it on the one end, and also the fears that the other group might have, we want to bring their representatives or themselves together in one room to understand how is it that we would collect evidence, where is it that we need to look, what is it that we need to look out for. And we want to have that conversation with both of those groups and all interested organizations. We are, however, excited, given the fact that there are 2 days left. Tomorrow is the deadline at 4 o'clock. We are excited about the number of people and organizations and representatives that have shown interest in attending the pre-hearing engagement. And so we know that this would bring the best result forward. But the other reason why we are doing it is because, as Justice Gampepe has insisted on all staff or the Secretariat, is one, she wants people and witnesses and families to be empowered. She wants witnesses and families to obviously have a sympathetic engagement with us, and our approach should be sympathetic. And then she also wants the ethos of the hearing to be empowering and supporting. And that is why we have decided on this.